Okay, Leo, this is Amazon on the opening bell.
Right.
And what I would like to know is what your transactions were until Bill there, what you did, and
37.
where your improvements came from in the last couple of days. So you had another left elbow gap down. You had diamonds here.
39.
That was a machine that went up 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teenies, and milliseconds came down. But see how they came right back next to it?
Yes.
And tell me where your entry was.
I went long a couple of times, but my current long position I got in at 237.22,
Well,
and
that's
I'm
right
still in
here
it.
in that breakout where all of this noise did its thing with the high
Right.
frequency
No,
volume
we'll go
opening
higher.
the tape.
I pegged my open to
39.
0.05 on the current trend. It's now at 0.27, so I'm comfortably above that. The
Okay.
IR's at 95, and I'm up 165 pennies on my position.
Uh-huh.
I also took a long position, a call on Amazon's 240
Okay.
at
31.
175.
Okay.
It's currently at 234.
Oh,
I'm up
nice.
59 pennies on that. Looking
Okay.
for the intraday high, where I'll try to anticipate that and get out of that position.
So if you break above 0.32 from what you learned yesterday, you can go all the way, and that's got to see 0.32, that ratio, and explain
Right.
how you used it, please.
Well, that's an intraday high right now, and the intraday range, the IR
It
is
just made a high, 33.
Right. Yeah, we're going to break through this next teeny here, and we're going to be going higher.
So this could go up to a half a delta even, couldn't it?
That's right.
So right now you're up about a quarter delta. There's
29.
your $2.48 to the good. Currently, you can see 32, and that's a dollar movement. So you learned how to use that, didn't you?
Yes.
And it's also going to show you how to exit out, because if you've got to stay elevated close to it, because if you below 30 and above 30 is going to hold you support, and you can see it live. 33 printing on the high. And you want to see that big breakout, Leo? You got to go. There you are.
Yeah, up 200 pennies.
Oh, nice. And this is live here and now, isn't it? And it's the first hour and 2 minutes. Today's date is 10/13/2011. Right, Leo? Right, Bill?
Having fun here on SMF Street.
Yes, and we are at 0.31. And as long as we can consolidate above 30, then this major resistance level over in here and this support level will have support, because you'll have support at 30. You want to go you want to break that ratio high on one more leg. If you don't, you can start selling half of what you own into this final high over here. Now, this has got to stay up here toward 100. And this has got to, in order for you to stay up here, you're at a half bar. So you're going to want to learn how to limit out at the highs if need to. Watch this diamond. But most importantly, you're above 30. You just need to know that part of it. So this is an excellent entry, Leo.
Thank you.
And you're going to protect the pennies, right, Leo?
Yeah.
Which is called MMT, Market Maker Debit Profit Management. Is that what it equals?
Where's your stop, Leo?
46.
Let me see.
99 for NASDAQ. EXN 3%.
We're thromboning right here, Leo. We're live, man, everybody.
43.
40 is my stop.
238.40. That's right down in here. Yeah, that's below the half bar. And that's exactly where the penny stop would be.
46.
Because, Bill, what Leo's telling you, that's below the half bar. He's not going to barter with his pennies. So he's putting it out at what price?
238.
238.40.
Did you hear that, Bill?
Yep.
That's right here, where my pointer is, going across these bottoms. He's
47.
not going to risk it breaking through there and coming down and losing his pennies. He does know, though.
48.
He just made a high. We just hit 37.36, and we're breaking up to the next teeny line. Leo!
Bada bing.
Yeah, you got to get a damn market maker with you to go on that, Leo. So when you guys get live.
Look at that. Look at that.
We're at 100.
Look at that. So we're live right here. Hour and 5 minutes of the opening bell with MMT market maker Leo making these great breakouts. Right, Leo?
Yes, sir. Up
right up here.
31 pennies and 88-cent pennies on the that one contract
wow, look at my
option.
Gauges. Look at my gauges.
That's great.
So that's over 300 pennies on this one leg.
So you got over 300 pennies right now. Tell Bill Merritt what that feels like. And I've got all.
I can just imagine.
I was breakdancing in my IR. That's what this red line is, Bill. You hear me? See how it's breaking up, and see how I've got to go look at my diamonds rise into resistance, Bill. Look at my ratio. I've got to get up to another ratio high. Our first one was 33, and we went to 38, right, Leo? And that's how we got up to the next teeny, right? Look at that, Leo. Look at the high of that ratio, 0.38, 0.34. We took out the ratio high in the platform, right, Leo? Look at that bar.
Yes, sir, we sure did.
Okay, Bill, did you see how Leo did it on the opening bell and all my other MMTs? That's how it's done. And notice that his entry, once he cleared the noise, he bought to validate the bottom here, didn't you, Leo?
Yes.
That's when you decided to get in at 237.20. Right here at the bottom of that breakout, which went up 1 teeny, 2 teenies, 3 teenies. It was still 3 teenies to there. Then another 1 teeny and a 2 teeny. It's been a 5 teeny breakout at 47 cents a teeny.
39.
Now, watch your 32. You're pulling off a 38. Uh-oh. Put your profit objective in here now. We're getting a little weak. We got to stay above 30, and if not, you can always scale out a half of it right in here. It's still at that intraday leg high with market maker profit
36.
debits with Leo at the highs. Thank you, MMTs.